Hi, I'm Danny Douglas. I'm an estimator, project manager at Penn Manufacturing. I started out in sheet metal fabrication when I was 17 years old, 1985, and basically never looked back. I love manufacturing. It's in my blood. Obviously, I've been there all my life. The thing I enjoy most about my job is dealing with employees. I'm a hands-on guy. I like to get out there and fully understand what's going on, working with the guys, building confidence with them in manufacturing. And of course I enjoy dealing with customers too. I have a great relationship with the customers, but mostly I like hands-on manufacturing. What do I do for fun? I love mountain bike riding and outdoor sports. Anything that's outdoor is what I like. I'm excited. I'm excited to be in the Penn family. I'm looking forward to growing with the company and hoping to spend a long time here.